About the Samsung, and it's a French door, twin doors, freezer and the refrigerator, twin doors. And the problem that we're having, as I open up the door, you'll see what I'm having. Right in the back, as you look, if you get a little closer there, there's water that's accumulating. May not be able to see it as good, but there is water standing there. If we get a little closer, you might be able to see the water. But water has accumulated around the edges. And most of the time they tell you, you got to go through, take out all this back area, take out all the back, milk, take out all this back area and defrost this. Well, if it's frozen, you have to do that. But let me show you a faster, easier way to solve this issue without having to go through and take out all things in your refrigerator. Now, if it's frozen bad and you have to do that, then you will have to do it. But for the most time, when you see that water accumulating, it takes approximately 5 minutes to clean out your drain plug, which is in the rear of the refrigerator. At this point, I will make sure that I turn off and unplug the refrigerator because there is some electrical wires in the area that we will work. Now that the wire is unplugged from the electrical part, you'll see that there is a back panel here, and we're going to remove this back panel. It takes maybe 5 or 6 screws and a Phillips head screwdriver, and you have this panel off. I've already done mine for easy and for quick, so just take it off. We'll take it off, and if you look right there, you see 2 compressors. The one on the right is for the refrigerator. The one on the left is for the freezer. And then there's 3 pipes, or it looks like they're pipes. Well, they are pipes. They're real soft. And this is where the problem is. It's in these pipes, clogged. So as you can see, they pulls off very easy. That's the first pipe. And if you take a look, this is the pipe that holds it. And right underneath there is the drain hole. When that is clogged up, this is normally clogged up. Now, I've already cleaned mine out, so you can see it's already cleaned out now. But it drains and it goes down into the pan. You have to take all 3 of these off. Now, some refrigerators may only have 2. They come off like that. Some refrigerators may only have 2, and some may only have 1. But if you have 1, 2, or 3, you get them all cleaned out. Now, they clean out very easy with the soap and water. You clean it out, so as you can see that hole there, you'll be able to see that that is clean and clear. So soap and water and maybe some bleach will help. Now, when you finish cleaning them out, when you get ready to install them back, you have to look very closely. There's 3 little areas there, looks like pipes. Well, they sit right on top of that to make sure that they do. And that is to help them to drain properly into the drain pan so that the evaporation can occur and it's not leaking on your floor. So now I've cleaned them, and let's put them back together. So the first is the piece here that you have and one of the hoses. One of the hoses here, and if I can show you as I hold on to the camera, it fits right inside of there. It fits right in there. And then you go down and you find your drain plug. The first one is here. We'll take that drain plug here. And as you can see, it goes right over top of it. Now make sure that this is seated on top of one of those little round circles at the bottom. Once it sits perfectly with the air, voila, there she blows. Now you go ahead and put on the second and the third one if you have 3. If it's 1, your work is done, because you will see that when you unplug this, water will come flowing out of it. That lets you know that it was plugged up, and it will flow. You probably can't see good, but the pan here is mine has water in it because I just cleaned mine out. You probably may not be able to see it that well, but it is water there down in that pan, and that's going to evaporate out. So we don't have to worry so much about that when the refrigerator is plugged back on. And after a few days, probably a couple of days, it will evaporate out and we don't have any issues there. So after that, we take the back cover. Now, as you notice, the back cover has these little inserts that catch and hold, so make sure that you put those on before you put your screws on. There's two. There's one on this side here, and then there's one on the far right that's right there, that little catch. You see it right there? Bingo. And put back on your screws, and voila. In 5 minutes, the refrigerator is running again. The wife is happy. Everybody's happy. Hope this helped. This is Calvin. Have a great day.